In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to Slack. If you're new to Slack apps, think of them as add-ons that bring your favorite tools like calendars, project trackers, and file storage right into your workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get an app installed quickly and confidently. Start by heading to slack.com in your web browser or open the Slack desktop app if you already have it. The experience is nearly the same either way. If you're not signed in, go ahead and log into the workspace where you want to add the app so you're working in the right place. Now look at the bottom left corner of the Slack interface. You'll see a three dots icon that opens the More menu. Click those three dots. This menu collects a bunch of workspace controls, and it's the fastest path to the app tools you need. If your window is very small and you don't see the icon, try expanding the Slack window so the left side navigation is fully visible. From that menu, click Manage. This takes you to Slack's management area for your workspace, where you can see settings and, importantly, access app options. Depending on your role and workspace policies, the label might appear as Manage or something similar, but it will lead you to the same place. Next, click Browse Apps. This opens Slack's app directory, which is an organized catalog of integrations. Here you'll see featured recommendations and categories that make it easier to find what suits your team, like project management, communication, or file sharing. To install, select the listing titled How to Add Apps to Slack and click Install. I'm using that listing as our example here. In your own workflow, you'd pick the specific app you want to add. When you click Install, Slack may prompt you to review permissions the app needs, things like reading messages in a channel or posting on your behalf. If your workspace requires admin approval, you'll see a request flow instead of an immediate install, and that's normal. You can also search by app name or category if you already know what you're looking for or want to explore. The search bar at the top is great for exact names, and categories help you discover tools you might not have considered yet. Once the app is installed, it will appear in Slack with an app page where you can finish, set up, connect accounts, or configure notifications. That's it. Go to Slack, open the three dots menu, choose Manage, browse apps, install the listing, or search by name or category, and you're done.